Hi teens, today we're going to be making a duct tape wallet. So for this, the only thing you need is a ruler, some duct tape, and a pair of scissors. The first thing that I was doing is you lay it out the length that you want the wallet to be, and you cut your strips of duct tape and then tape them together. But because you have one sticky side still available on the top, you actually cut two sets. You then fold it over on top of it itself so that the sticky sides are both facing each other, and that gives you your base to work with. You can then create credit card slots as well. I'm not sure if you can really see here, but I was able to put slots in here wide enough for my library card or my debit card or whatever else we need to put in here. We'll slide into those slots, as well as with the fold you have a space to put your cash. So there are tons of different types of duct tape that you can get nowadays, and I chose one we had here already that's just got a U.S. Army logo, and that's all there is to it.